According to Netflix Brazil, American actor Dylan O'Brien from Maze Runner and Teen Wolf couldn't help but compliment K-pop girl group Blackpink in an interview. During an interview, Dylan asked to list his favorite Netflix shows. He answered, "I watched the Blackpink documentary recently 'cause I love Blackpink." Dylan also promoted everyone to watch the Blackpink documentary. He shared his favorite part of the documentary was their training footage. The hours that they put into their training, it's unbelievable how hard they work for so many years. He ended the interview by giving Lisa a heartfelt shout out.
Lisa, email me, please. Just want to take a picture of you.